Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, scroll through your phone, and see headlines screaming, "Asteroid on collision course with Earth." Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But let's flip the question. What if it actually happened tomorrow? First, let's talk about scale. Asteroids come in all sizes. A small one, the size of a car, burns up in our atmosphere almost every year and no one even notices. But if we're talking about a massive rock, let's say 1 kilometer wide, that's a whole different story. That's enough to shake not just a city but an entire continent. The very first thing we'd experience is panic. Social media would explode with theories, live streams, and fake news. Governments worldwide would step in with emergency alerts. Air travel would stop. Stock markets would crash. Imagine the chaos, half the world glued to screens, the other half running for survival. Now, the science. If a 1-kilometer asteroid hit the ocean, the impact would trigger tsunamis taller than skyscrapers. Coastal cities gone. If it struck land, the blast would be equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. The sky would light up brighter than the sun for seconds, then turn into darkness as dust and debris blocked sunlight. Crops would fail. Temperatures would drop. It would feel like Earth itself hit the reset button. But here's the twist most people don't realize. Humanity wouldn't vanish instantly. Sure, the area near impact would be completely destroyed, but people on the other side of the planet might survive the initial blast. The real struggle would begin afterward. Food shortages, collapsing systems, and the fight for survival. It wouldn't be just a natural disaster, it would be the ultimate test of humanity's will to live. Now here's the flip side. What if tomorrow's asteroid didn't hit Earth but missed by a few thousand kilometers? We'd witness something spectacular in the sky, a blazing fireball streaking past. Fear would turn into relief, and maybe, just maybe, we'd finally take space threats seriously. Right now, space agencies like NASA are tracking thousands of near-Earth objects. They're even testing ways to deflect them, like the DART mission. But let's be honest, if the big one was really coming tomorrow, we're not fully ready. So, what happens if an asteroid strikes tomorrow? In one word, change. Not just physical destruction, but a shift in how we see life itself. Because when faced with the possibility of losing everything, every small moment suddenly feels priceless. Maybe that's the real what if. Not about the asteroid, but about how we'd choose to live if tomorrow wasn't guaranteed.